Okay, to this short video, I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna use Katteb. That's that's an amazing platform. You can find out more about Katteb if you click to my to the link to my description, or even if you click to the link uh, at the comments of this video. Um, Let me show you here. I'm gonna just sign in to Katteb, and I'm gonna create more content and a very nice review about freak hosting. Okay, just to showcase the opportunity. I'm gonna come here. You see, Katteb is really amazing. It really was every dollar that you're gonna give about this amazing platform. It creates content. It can create amazing and really valuable articles, and you have the ability to create even photos and images, but you can even use the chat that is leveraging ChatGPT 4. Okay, so to this video, I'm gonna show you how easily I use Katteb to create an article about, um, let's try here, generate new article about freak hosting. Okay, I'm gonna say here, just let me get the affiliate link. I'm gonna just grab the affiliate link from here and drop it over here. You see, I have the option to drop my affiliate link here, so that Katteb is gonna pull all the data from there and create the content, and it's gonna get full details from the website. Okay, so I'm gonna write over here, um, create a detailed and honest review about freak hosting. Okay, I'm gonna just click start, and that's all. That was all that I had to do. Now the next steps is just to select one of those titles that it's gonna give me. You see, navigating to hosting maze, breaking down the buzz, truth talk, uncovering the pros and cons of freak hosting. Okay, you see, I can just go with this one and click suggest outline. Okay, the next one is just to have everything created for me, and I'm gonna just select that I am excited about this article. I'm gonna be excited. I'm gonna write as first person, and the keyword is gonna be freak hosting over here. Okay, and 400 to 700 words, it's trust me, is enough to not to make anyone reading your article to feel lazy. And trust me, the way that Katteb is creating the whole um, the whole article, everybody loves reading. Okay, let's click continue, and as you're gonna see, to the next step, I'm gonna have over here the model that is gonna be used. It's GPT-4, and here it's gonna be detailed. I don't want to use images from Google or anywhere else. I'm gonna just add my own image. Okay, and here I want this one to be auto-exported. I want to be exported as published. I'm gonna select here to which um, WordPress site it's gonna be exported, and the author is gonna be me, Kostas, and I'm gonna say here that it's gonna be a review about latest news and reviews, and I can even say that it's marketing because it's about the okay, I can just drop it to WordPress, okay, because it has to do about uh, hosting. So so the last thing I'm gonna just click it's start writing. I can export it to even more than one website. So I'm gonna export it just to one to be able to show you how nice and clean it's gonna be the whole article. So let's see the result. And we are done. You see that the article is already generated. I can generate more article if I want, but if I go straight to my let's go here to WordPress and to affiliate pal. I just want to show you that already the article is over here and it's already exported to my WordPress over here. I'm gonna show you right away. Okay, you're gonna see here straight to my posts over here to affiliate pal that I have already the new article here. You see, Truth Talk, uncovering the pros and cons. I'm gonna just click edit here because the article is really ready, but it has no picture. I'm gonna just add one of my own pictures because I showed you how I use Artistly and create all those amazing thumbnails and pictures. You see, I have already created some so nice images for Freak hosting. I'm gonna click set featured image and upload here the one that I created before. Let me go over here and find this one that it looks really interesting. I'm gonna select this one and add it to my new article. Okay, that's a great article. It's a review and it looks really nice. Okay, let's wait for a moment to have the image uploaded. Okay, and as you can see, I have a very interesting and nice article, clean, and it's the kind of article that you'll love reading. And over here, I'm gonna just add a button. The button, it can come justify item to center. I'm gonna make it 75 over here. I'm gonna select the color to be the background red, and I'm gonna select the text to be white. Okay, over here I'm gonna write find out more about Freak hosting, and I can make it even to look bold, and I'm gonna drop over here my link. Okay, I'm gonna find my link over here from Freak hosting, and I'm gonna drop it over here. Yeah, it looks really nice. I can even add the video that I created for Freak hosting and add it just down over here. Let me find the video that I uploaded before. I got it over here. Okay, and I'm gonna just drop even the video over here and it's gonna be great. As you can see, I can use this one for my SEO. Over here I have the image and I got everything ready. I'm gonna just send the same article to the other websites and it's gonna be great. Thank you very much for watching this video. Trust me, Katteb is an amazing tool, and it was even the time to just to explore it, to have a look and see what else it can do for you. If you think that it really fits to your needs, you can purchase and start using it. If not, you can just watch my other videos and find out which one is the tool that you're gonna love. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you to the next one. Bye bye.